So, onto some AI stuff, how to make a machine learn. First of all, collect a data set. Remember, data is not just the data that you're trying to model, but it's also the data that gives that data context. It's stuff that happens at the same time as that data. Stuff that may actually allow you to spot patterns in that data and what may affect the patterns in that data. So, contextual data in the data set. Then select an algorithm, so you've got regression and all of those other ones. Build the model. Split the data, really important. You need to split the data so you can actually test the data, or test the model against the data. There's no use programming a model using all of your data and then having nothing to test it with. Because if you test it with the data you built it with, of course it's going to work. So then you test, improve, and iterate. And the best way of testing is we forecast using historical data. So we can do weather modelling like this. We can actually build a weather forecasting model and then feed it historical weather data and get it to forecast what the weather was going to be 2 days hence, or 5 days hence, or 10 days hence, to test how good your forecasting model is. And then execute. And that's really the bit that most people miss out. You ingest data and you process it and against the model, and then you take actions based on what the model sees. So it matches classes, it classifies stuff, or it picks out exceptions and does exception reporting, or alarms, or alerts, or whatever you want it to do. So you're generally using AI or machine learning as some sort of decision support for a workflow system or an RPA system.